Hi Bundies! Welcome or welcome back to PandaBunBun. Before we start, I just want to say that there are many ways and many styles of eyes, so this video is just to add another option, another way that you can apply to your character, or even better, inspire you to make your own. I actually made a video about this topic before, but I yapped too much. I was speaking while drawing, so my words were all over the place. So I made a new one that is shorter, better, and easier to follow. At the end of the video, I'll add tables of recaps of the steps to draw it. Here I'll introduce two styles of eyes that I only use in my drawings. One is the complicated that I'll use for serious, dedicated works, and one is for simple like comic or storytelling works. For the sake of the video, we'll draw a brown eye. Let's take a look at the simple one. First, use a brush that you like. I'm using the dip and soft brush to draw a circle. Easy, right? Just use a ruler or a shape function so we don't go nuts. Also, use a color that is darker than your eye color so they will look more cohesive. Next, fill the eye with your chosen color. After that, draw a mountain. This is the pattern that makes our eyes look more interesting and lively. You can use the clip function so the mountain will be inside of the eye color, and you don't need to worry about erasing the excess parts. Oh, FYI, clipping is a function which makes the above layer will only lie within the content of the underlayer. Finally, add a white oval to not only make the pupil, but the shine of the eyes. And here is our finished eye. Here is what our layers will look like. I know it kinda looks demonic, but I applied it to multiple works and as you can see, it looks good. Finally, here's the summary table of the steps for this eye. Moving on to the hard stuff. First step is still drawing the circle. Then, draw the pupil with an oval. I know our pupil is also a circle, but this kinda makes the eyes look bigger and is my personal taste. Fill the color in, and instead of the mountain, we'll do something different. Draw two lines that go along with the border of the iris and the pupil. Connect the two heads by drawing a curved down line, fill in the shape, and it shall look like this. Now is when the magic begins. Choose a color that complements the main eye color. In this case, I'll choose this golden color because it goes well with brown. Use an airbrush brush, make the size a little bigger, and go around the outer border of the eye. Oh my god, it makes such a huge difference, huh? You can start and end on each head of the pattern. Finally, just add the shine by drawing white dots on top of our eyes. And we're done! Here is our layers will look like. I love this style so much. It works extremely well with cutesy style and for chibis. Here's some of the works that have this style of eyes and I can't stress enough how much I love it. Finally, here's the summary table of the steps for this eye. That is also the end of our video. I hope this video is informative and helps you with your own journey. If you have any question, just comment down below. Thank you for tuning in the Bunnyverse. See you later. Bye bye.